How you doing today? Hope everybody's doing good. I got my price back in from Serene Madness. Fitting to do an unboxing for him. Thank you, man. This is awesome. Let me set you down for 1 second while I cut it open. I don't cut nothing. Alright. I got it open. Let's see what I got. I got a note. Hope this is alright to read on here. Let me see. The wind's going to catch it. Sorry for the shaky head, y'all. Prizes for my giveaway. Congrats. It's been a pleasure. Your friend, the very best, Paul, Serene Madness. Thank you, man. Set. Put this in my pocket so it won't go nowhere. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Oh, that is cool. Man, that is neat. Thanks, man. I like that bead. That is awesome. If I can get it in frame here. That is a cool bead. And lanyard. Thank you, man. That is really cool. That is neat. Thanks, man. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that one there is really cool. That is awesome. I'm gonna put that one on my buck knife there. That gray kind of matches the color. That is pretty cool. That is awesome. I really like that. That's neat, man. Thank you. And I think this is the knife. Let me set you down and I'll open it up. Oh, cool. That is neat, man. Did a heck of a job on that. That is awesome. That is very cool. That is neat. I like that. I'll make a sheath for it. When I make a sheath, I'll show you when I get it done. That is cool. What type of handle material is that? Is that towel stuff from Lowe's for Home Depot? If it is, that's pretty cool. I never thought about that. That is neat. Did a heck of a job on that, man. That is awesome. Thanks, brother. I really like that. And then something else. Oh, cool. Thanks, man. Those are my favorite Tootsie Rolls. The fruit flavored ones. Stickers. Little keychain thing. And a business card. Yep. That is neat, man. Thank you. I'll definitely enjoy them. That is neat. And I think. And there's the t-shirt. That's cool, man. Thank you. I like that design. That's neat. Hopefully y'all can hear me with this wind. I'm sorry about it, but we're having some really rough wind out here today. Finding your serenity in a mad world. Serene Madness t-shirt. That is awesome, man. Thank you so much for the stuff, man. Oh, I got something else in here. American flag. Thank you, man. That's cool. Well, Hey, it's neat. Thank you, man. Thank you for all this stuff. I really like it all. It is awesome. Y'all, if y'all don't know Serene Madness, please go check him out. He's a great guy and friend. Subscribe to him and tell him I sent you. Well, thank you, man, for all this stuff. I really appreciate it, and I really like it. Thank you, man. Y'all have a good night, and talk to you later. That's one awesome little knife there, though. I like that. Y'all have a good day.